Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Acer 23.8-inch Full HD IPS liquid crystal displays. So friend, Acer unveiled the UT241Ybmiuzx 23.8-inch Full HD IPS liquid crystal display that enables 10-point multi-touch, and friend, it may be used and designed in conference guidance display in stores and so on, because it allows the tilt adjustment from -3 to 88 degree, and screen can angle be changed widely depending on the user situation, and friend, it can be applied to a variety of business settings, and friend, it includes anti-glare specification with minimum reflection as well as flickerless technology and blue light barrier to reduce eye strain concerns, and it is reported to have been treated in such a way that fingerprints are not easily attached during touch operations, and friend, the primary specification features as follows: brightness 250 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio 1000 Gaussian, display color approximately 16.7 million colors, color reproducibility NTSC 72%, and response speed 4 millisecond, and friend, D sub into 1, HDMI 1.4 into 1, a USB 3.1 USB Type-C into 1, 3.5 mm stereo micro jack, headphone jack, USB 3.0 downstream into 2, USB 3.0 upstream into 1, and built-in 2 watt into 2 stereo speakers comprise the interface, and friend, the external dimensions are 541 mm in width, 238 mm in depth, 338 mm in height, and it weighs around 5.33 kg, and friend, the VESA mounted accommodate 100 into 100 mm pitch. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.